Hello, my dear Taurus friends. This is Shri Vidya. I have brought your April month love relationship reading. So let's begin with the reading. And sorry for the background and noises. Please excuse me for that since I'm in my hometown. So let's begin your reading. The major signs that I have got here is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Leo is very much prominent here. Scorpio is again prominent. So and Aquarius is prominent. So let's begin with your reading. The theme of the reading is Ace of Pentacles reversed. This shows that you have the major commitment have been lost. You both are now separated, and the relationship was really promising one that was like that couldn't go forward. The first four cards shows what happened in the past. So maybe you could relate to Gemini, Cancer energy as well. So it shows that you walked out of this relationship because of I asked for the reason why what this happened. So I got third party energy here, and you got very much stressed about it, and you almost ended it. It is not complete the ending because death is reversed. So it is like it's almost at the ending. Like it's you are almost over it. The third party could either be a person, or in various situation it could be the parents involved, or job or work, anything. This is the general reading, so take what resonates with you. So in the past I see you taking step back. You withdrew all of your emotions from it, but the person you were involved with, he was very much in love with you, addicted to you. He couldn't bear it. He tried to convince you to be in this relationship, but since you denied it, then he got involved in so much of a drinking and work. He started working too much, and then afterwards he also separated from you. So this happened in the past. Your current energy, what you feel about this person. Four of Pentacles reverse, Strength reverse, but Two of Cups. See, you really love this person, even though you are hiding it from yourself also, but you love this person. But you know that when the trust is broken, then we start walking out of it. So you did the same thing. You're letting go of it, although it's very tough for you to let him go, but still you are letting go of him. And this person, let's see what he is thinking about you. See, you are a sunshine for him. You are like, you means a world to him. World is here, sun is here, star is here. You mean everything to him. He is repenting for what he has done in the past. Also, he has not recovered from the trauma that you gave by walking out of this relationship. He's not over it. He might be drinking a lot, he might be working a lot, but he is coming towards you to return back him what what once were his. So he's like very desperate to move towards you, and he is coming towards you. The mutual card is Five of Cups reverse. It's the thing is almost over because the trust is lost. In the future, what happened in the future, if this relationship in this relationship, it's the Empress is reversed, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, again Pisces energy is here. Yeah, you're not budging. You, even though this person comes to you, you will defend your ground, and you're not giving him anything. You might be nurturing and caring for him a lot, but whatever he hid from you, that was too much for you to bear. That's why you are just, that like, it's too much for me. I'm walking out of it. Even though it's very tough for me, I'm walking out. This is your energy. So you are like, please don't disturb me. This is your energy. The advice card for you is Nine of Wands reversed and Queen of Swords. Spirit guides and angels are saying that you can very well cut this connection off, because this is what this person deserves. It's all up to you what you want to do, but you need to like understand each and every aspect before taking any decision. And also all these cards shows that you need to work on yourself, because you are not healed from the this relationship. You are letting it go, but you are not at all healed from it. Work on your healing. This was your reading. Please share your views. Thank you.